A 12-foot ladder is placed against the building. If the base of the ladder is 3 feet away from the building, how far from the building will the ladder reach? Now, yeah, when we do this kind of stuff in 8th grade, they're like, well, what if the ground is not level? All right. We don't really want to make it that complicated, okay? So we're going to assume that the ground is level here. And so what we got a building, and then you're gonna take, well, there's the building. Okay, so you got the building right here, and, you know, if you wanted to be like, hey, there's a building, that's fine too. All right, so then it says you got some kind of ladder leaning up against this building, right? So, kind of on purpose, I'm gonna make this ladder right here. Let's label it though. Ladder, there we go. And then you got the ground, you know, got some pretty grass right there, but in any case, it says that the base of the ladder is 3 feet away from the building. That'd be this distance right here. That's 3 feet, okay? But then it says the ladder itself is 12 feet. So this is 12 feet right there, okay? So when you look at the building, and I guess it doesn't really go up to the top of the building, but whatever. We're just looking at a triangle right here, right? And if I drawn that better, you'd see that it should be a right triangle, okay? So, yeah, sorry about that. But it's still a Pythagorean theorem problem because it's a right triangle, okay? We see a right triangle, we should kind of expect there to be a, whoa, that's kind of big. Pythagorean theorem stuff, okay? Now, we'd have one of the legs is 3, but the other one we don't know. I'll just say B. Oh, B for building, that's pretty good. And then the hypotenuse is 12, right? So if I take the 2 legs as squares and add them together, I should have the hypotenuse as a square. 3 squared is 9, and 12 squared is 144. So 9 plus b squared should equal 144. I'll subtract 9 on both sides there. And that makes 135. So b squared then equals 135. And then we'll just square root both sides, right? Oh, that's a 135, dang it. There's a 1. Kind of sloppy there, but there's b. Let's see, the square root of 135. I got to use the calculator for that because I can't do it in my head. If you can, that's super impressive. So it gave me 3 square root 15. Again, double arrow button. Set around to the nearest tenth on this, so I'm going to make it 11 point. I got 618950004. The 6, of course, would just stay 6. And then again, this is feet, so that's it. Now, if the picture helps, then use it. If not, you don't have to. We'll never say you have to use a picture, but if it does, then do it.